It's that time again, y'all. Come on in my kitchen. What are we making today? So today we are doing turkey wings. Why are we doing turkey wings? Because we don't want a whole turkey this year. We don't want to eat off of leftover turkey sandwiches, all this other stuff. We don't want to do any of that. So then I get them cut up. Sometimes I keep them whole. I haven't decided yet. It's just me and my daughter. So just 2 people, we're gonna eat off of this. I'm also making dressing, but that'll be for a whole nother video. So let's get into this. So these turkey wings are gonna be quick, easy, simple. Cut up some onions, put that on the base just like you would have onions and carrots in the bottom of your pan if you were cooking a whole turkey. Now they are washed, they are patted dry, and now they're about to get a little bit of butter on the outside and butter base on the inside. I'm using this injectable that I got from the store. If you purchase this, make sure you're shaking it up to get all the seasonings together. Put that needle on and get busy injecting your chicken or your turkey or whatever it is you're going to cook for the holidays. And please do not inject yourself. Y'all know that old song, pump, 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 pump it up. Plump, plump, plump it up. Next, you want to coat your turkey in either olive oil. I'm using Crisco butter. This is going to help those seasonings stick to the meat. So now it's time to get the seasoning. I'm using some garlic powder, lemon pepper, and I'm seasoning this really well, and I will be covering the other side also. Next, we are using onion powder. We also have some Cajun seasoning. Now, that's optional. You don't have to use that at all. Use the seasonings that you want to use. This is just what I want to use. And then at the end, I'm going to add some paprika. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm also throwing on some thyme, some sage. No, I didn't do the thyme. I did the sage. I did the poultry seasoning. And then I did a little garlic, salt, and black pepper. And again, you want to make sure you're rubbing this on both sides or adding it to both sides. You want everything to be covered because you want every bite to be very tasteful. You don't want a bland turkey. Next, I'm just going to take the turkey wings and place them on a bed of onions. And I'm going to add some broth to the pan also so that it does not stick. I just threw a little bit more paprika on there just now. I'm adding broth in a bowl. Also, 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, and also some bouillon powder. Add a little water to it also if you need to. And then just pour it into the 4 corners. Next, break out your aluminum foil because you want to cover this. I'm going to have this in the oven for 2 hours. The first hour it's going to be with the aluminum foil. I put these on 375 in the oven, covered up for 1 hour, and then the second hour I took the aluminum foil off just so it can get more brown on it. I use the juices later to go into my dressing. You'll see that in my dressing video. I thought I was recording me pulling this apart, so now I'm gonna have to pull this one apart so y'all can see just how easy it pulled apart. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now, part. Them seasonings, y'all should have seen me tear those wingtips up. The seasoning of the meat from me injecting it, and then also the seasonings on top. Oh my, y'all, I gotta go. Sorry for the hair, it's all over the place, y'all. But thank you for joining me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a safe week. Get your items now for your meals, and I will see you in the next video. Remember that I love you, but God truly loves you more. He created only one you. Be the very best you can be when you are. Go out and spread God's love.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.